Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to translate your videos into another language? For example, if you are a YouTuber and want to reach a global audience by translating your videos, then you can do it very easily using a wonderful tool called Vozo.ai. With Vozo.ai, you can translate your videos into multiple languages like English, Japanese, Korean, Hindi, Arabic, and many more. Basically, you can translate your videos into almost all major languages of the world. The link to Vozo.ai is available in the video description. Once you click on the link and create an account, you will see a dashboard like this. Here it asks, "Hi there, what would you like to create today?" You can see different features here. There is the AI translation feature, the talking video generator that lets your photos say anything with lip sync, voice studio, and also the long video to short video option. But in today's video, our main focus is on the AI translation feature, how you can translate your videos using subtitles, dubbing, or lip sync. Also, I want to point out the glossary function here. This is very important because it ensures terminology consistency. Vozo.ai's translation doesn't just do a literal word-for-word translation. It understands context, industry-specific terms, and tone, which makes your videos sound natural and professional. Now it will ask you to upload the video or audio file you want to translate. If you want, you can also paste the video link here. I'll upload a video. This is a Mr. Beast video, and the original language is English. First, it will ask you to select the voice model. I'll choose the real voice model. Next, it will ask you to select the original language. There are many options like Arabic, Japanese, Korean, and more, but I'll keep it on auto detect. After that, it will ask you to select the target language you want to translate into. There are many options like Hindi, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Russian, and more. For this example, I'll choose Arabic. Then it will ask you to select the accent. I'll keep it on auto. Next, it will ask for the number of speakers like 1, 2, or 3. I'll also keep this on auto detect. Now I'll click on the generate button. Vozo.ai will start processing the video. First, it will transcribe the video, then translate it, and finally generate the dubbed result. Here you can see the translated video. Let's play it.
الذهاب إلى وول مارت والعثور على شخص على وشك ركوب سيارته وأقوم فقط بوضع دائرة صغيرة على الأرض وأقول يمكنك العد بقدر ما تريد يعني طالما أنك ما تخرج من الدائرة بدفع لك على قد ما توصل لذلك يمكنهم البقاء هناك لمدة شهرين والعد فقط وطالما أنهم لا يغادرون لا أهتم بذلك
غريب أنا على وشك الذهاب إلى وول مارت.
Now, let's compare it with the original video.
Going to Walmart and like finding someone about to get in their car and I just like put a little circle on the ground. I'm like, you can count as high as you want. As long as you don't leave the circle, I'll pay you as high as you go. So like they could spend 2 months.
As you can see, the translation looks very natural. Now let's try another video. This time, I'll upload a different video. Again, I'll select the real voice model, choose the original language, and then select the target language. This time, I'll choose Korean. I'll select the number of speakers and hit the generate button. It will start processing.
부모님들이 생일 파티나 무슨 대단한 일에 초대한 적 있어요?
아, 항상 그렇죠. 네.
혹시 해본 적 있어요?
아니요. 한 번은 정말 바빴는데 그냥 어떤 억만장자가 저한테 꼭 인사해 달라고 하더라고요. 누군가가 저한테 무언가 말을 해달라고 부탁했어요.
비디오로 인사하거나 직접 가는 건가요?
아이에게 비디오로 인사하는 거였고 그래서 솔직히
Here you can see that the video has been successfully converted into Korean. If you want, you can also edit the video further. Just click on the edit option and it will open the editor. Here you can edit the subtitles, type anything you want, and also change the subtitle style according to your needs. Now let's try the same video with another language. This time I'll select Hindi and click on generate again. Please wait patiently. And here you can see the video has been successfully transformed into Hindi.
क्या कभी किसी माता पिता ने कभी आपको किसी जन्मदिन पर आने या कुछ और अनोखा करने का प्रस्ताव दिया है?
हमेशा होता है हाँ
क्या आपने कभी किया है?
नहीं खैर एक बार मैं वास्तव में व्यस्त था और मैं बस जैसे एक अरबपति ने सच में मुझसे गुजारिश की थी कि मैं उसके लिए हाय कहूँ कोई चाहता था कि मैं कुछ कहूँ
जैसे वीडियो पर हाय कहना या खुद वहां पहुंच जाना
जैसे वीडियो हाय एक बच्चे को और फिर जैसे मैं बस ऐसा था मेरा मतलब है मुझे परवाह नहीं है मुझे फिल्म बनानी है जैसे नहीं और फिर वह कहता है कीमत बताओ कोई कीमत बताओ तो मैंने कहा $2,50,000 और वो कहता है ठीक है ये ऐसा था
ओह माय गॉड लो हो गया
ये लगभग 1 मिनट का वीडियो था
क्या
जहां मैंने बस हाय कहा और उसने मुझे इसके लिए भुगतान किया
So as you can see, you can very easily transform any video into another language using Vozo.ai. You can also explore other features like the talking video generator, voice studio, and the long video to short video option. Before we finish, I want to mention a few key use cases for Vozo.ai. It's extremely helpful for online course translation, content repurposing, e-commerce and multilingual product videos, online sales, and digital marketing. The link to Vozo.ai is available in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.